I will show you how to test first stage, second stage, and third stage alarm for BNOS and power failure alarm for weekly and monthly. So for the third stage alarm, we will not continue because it will alarm to whole accommodation and to the backup officer, all backup officer. So first, it will be show a visual alarm in 15 seconds. You see, if nobody accepted, it will be alarm in the bridge. So first, here you can see it's a visual alarm, and after that one, you see now it's making alarm. Then it is a third stage alarm. So after 15 seconds, nobody accepted, it will be go to the second stage alarm to the backup officer. You can see it's already officer call. For the third stage, in 90 seconds, if nobody will accept it, it will be alarm to the whole accommodation and to the all backup officer on board. So that's the procedure how to test second stage and third stage alarm for BNOS. And now I will show you how to test this power failure alarm. For the power failure alarm, we just go to the breaker. So for example, like this one, for 220 volts first we will test. So we will see if the BNOS will be alarmed for AC and DC. So just push down. Then if you can see, AC fail warning. So it means it is working good. So after that one, we will test the DC. So for the DC, this 24 volts, just same, just push down. Then if you see, DC fail. So that's how to test power failure alarm for BNOS. Then it's the same that you will show to your inspector. Thank you. Hope this one will help to you.